Welcome back, Tailoring Talkers. We have an unboxing, and it's not a gadget unboxing. This is a clothing related unboxing for once. So let's get on with it. We have got a new pair of custom boots. Very exciting. A pair of custom made chukka boots. Check that out. Beautiful. Let's just get them both out of here. These are custom made. They're actually for me. I have been after a pair of these for a little while, actually. In winter, I sort of revert to jeans and a casual jacket, like a tweed jacket, over the top of a sweater or a shirt. And boots are generally my go-to, so I've really been looking forward to these. I saw Bullitt with Steve McQueen for I haven't seen the whole film, but I saw some scenes from it for the first time proper over the summer holidays, and I just got obsessed with his look because he wears chukka boots. Steve McQueen famously, chukka boots were like his go-to, and they are so versatile. So these are a waxed suede upper. Absolutely beautiful finish. They've been burnished to a sort of deep brown. It's a 2-eyelet chukka boot, so we've just got a very simple fastening here. And this is a Goodyear welted sole, which means it can be recrafted in future because the sole is actually sewn on to the rest of the boot. And this is a Danite sole, so it's a lightweight rubber sole with a bit of flex. Waterproof. We have got a country welt on here just to seal the edges off and protect from any water. And they've been installed with our Roberto Revilla London cedarwood shoe trees. Very important. Always have shoe or boot trees for your footwear because you sweat about half a mug into each foot every single day. The majority of your sweat glands in the body are actually concentrated around the foot area, and so you are putting a lot of moisture into your shoes. A cedarwood boot or shoe tree will help to draw that moisture out and stop mold and fungus from developing, and those are the things that cause smelly feet and smelly footwear. So we'll just take the boot tree out. Now, I don't have a fancy coloured inside on these boots because I used our express manufacturing system to get them quickly. The irony of that is they've now sat there in the box for 2 weeks waiting for me to unbox them, but we've just got a dark, it's a sort of just a black internal leather sole and lining. I am going to give these a whirl probably tomorrow. We've got a bit of wet and windy weather in the UK at the moment because we've got a bit of a storm, but these are going to go great with jeans, corduroys, whipcords, moleskin trousers. I will definitely wear these with a more country looking suit, not with a smart formal suit. Shoes or black leather, smooth leather chukkas are always better for that. But definitely as a sort of smart casual look, these are going to work great, and I'm expecting them to be very comfortable. So anyway, there we go. That's our chukka boot unboxing. If you're interested in these, and if you have feet issues, as in you're either very wide or you might have odd size feet. We have a lot of clients with odd size feet. Either they're odd in the width or odd in the length or both. We can cater for that. So just hit the link in the episode notes and it will take you to our website and you'll be able to book an appointment and we'll be able to get your feet sized, and then you can custom order not just chukka boots, but we do all sorts of different shoes and boots and sneakers. There we go. Anyway, that's our chukka boot unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support of the channel. Please remember to drop a like and drop a comment. Do you like this style of boot? What is it that you like about them? And how would you wear them? See you on the next one.